Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Today's video is sponsored by UNice. They sent me over one of their new wigs, which I will be installing for you today. These are the little goodies that came in the package. And this is their new bye-bye cap wig. It's a 13x4 HD real scalp wig in 150% density. This is just a comparison between the transparent lace and the HD lace. You can see where the HD lace would melt into the skin so much more seamlessly. And this is the unit, guys. As I mentioned, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-parted, and it's just ready to wear. And this is a 100% glueless unit. The lace is already pre-cut and it does have a real scalp effect because it has a mono mesh attached to it, so you do not need a cap or anything. Plus it does have this drawstring technology so that the wig can be snug on the unit. Pre-parted, pre-bleached, pre-cut lace, everything is basically done for you straight out the packaging. The link to the unit will be in the description, so please go ahead and check that out. Now let's get into installing this unit. So as you guys can see here, it's a 13x4 glueless lace wig, so the lace goes all the way to your ear, and look how invisible the lace looks, guys. Straight out the packaging, I am in awe. I'm in disbelief as I'm watching it with you. Straight out the package, look how good the lace looks. Look how blended it already looks, already seamlessly blended into my skin as if it's coming from my scalp, because this is their real scalp technology that they have used. And this is a free part unit, so you can definitely change the parting. But let me go ahead and show you how I like to make sure that I use the elastic strings, and I kind of draw that snug, make sure that I use the cap that's on it, secure that, and then I just tuck the string under, and I can run my fingers through the unit, change the parting if I wish, a side part, center part, whatever it is, you can accomplish it with this unit, guys. Very, very flexible, so definitely love that. Now let's get into working on the unit a bit. I like to make sure the top of the unit is very flat, not 100% necessary, but it's a preference for me. So I part the top through, I use my wax stick, lay that on, and then I use my hot comb to bring some heat into the unit and kind of get that very, very flat. Just a quick little thing that I like to do with my units. Also to note, this is 24 inches and it's in 150% density, but it's quite full. And looking at the curls coming from the unit, the curls look very, very bouncy, but I'm going to add in some more, keeping the unit 100% glueless and spray free. I'm using just a little bit of foaming lotion to just secure it and make everything look seamless. Once I apply this on the lace, I will tie this down just to compress it for a bit while I continue working on the unit, guys. Now I'm adding in some curls into the unit, and I'm just using my curling wand because this unit takes the curl so well. As I wrap it around, it's already curled and it holds the curl, so I love that. I did not need to add in any sprays to it, like any sheen, any oils, because it comes out of the package with a sheen and just this moisture that looks really, really good and healthy. As I'm working through the unit, no smell from the packaging because I didn't pre-wash this unit at all, and also no shedding. Okay, let's take a look on the lace, guys, and look at that. No glue, no spray, completely glueless, but it looks so blended into my skin, as you guys can see. And this is a full frontal unit, so I'm very happy with how it turned out. Personal preference, again, I'm adding in some baby hair to the unit, but this is all that it takes to install this unit, guys. Very quick, very easy. That is it. No work needed at all. So let's get into the final look. So this is the completed look of the unit, guys. The installation, I am in love with the curls, how soft they are, how flowy it is, and I love the length of the unit as well. So I think the baby hair was a nice addition, but of course you do not need it at all. This is a 100% glueless unit, and it's a pre-everything done unit. So if you are new to installing wigs and if you just want something quick and easy, this is the unit for you. It is, look at the shine, it is so beautiful and just full of life. I'm running my comb through it so you can see it is completely glueless, so I can take this off at the end of the night and put it away and go to bed. This is also very flexible, so I'm doing a half up half down hairstyle. The link to the unit is in the description, so of course you can go ahead and check that out. And I just use a clip to accomplish this. Very easy, very low effort, but how gorgeous does it look? Definitely giving special occasion. It's so vibey. And to accomplish a half up half down with a glueless unit, top tier. And this is now just a high ponytail. I just use my clip again, put up all the unit. I leave a few hairs out in the front. Very cute. And the back of the unit looks really good as well. Everything is up. It looks very natural and I absolutely love it. So thank you again, UNice, for sending this unit over. I love it. So check the link in the description, leave a like before you go, and subscribe if you are new. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.